Next is data types in Pythons. There are different data types in Pythons. You can study in next videos and next lectures. So in this video I'm going to discuss what is data types in Pythons. So data type is basically Python has many native data types. Here are the important ones: booleans, numbers, strings, bytes and bytes arrays, lists, tuples, sets. Booleans are either true or false. Numbers can be integer 1 and 2, floats 1.1 and 1.2. Fractions are 1 over 2 and 2 over 3, or even complex numbers. Strings are basically sequence of Unicode characters like an HTML document. Bytes and bytes array. For example, JPEG image file. These are bytes. Lists. Lists are ordered sequence of value. These are lists. Tuples are ordered immutable sequence of values. Set or unordered bags of values. These are the data types that we can further discuss. If we see examples, the strings are basically coercion whoop, integer or number 42, float are 3.14119 ratio values. List are, for example, John, Paul, George, Ringo. These are the lists. Python can tell us about type using the type function. If you print type whoop, then you type str. It's mean if you print type whoop underscore, then it's mean you type strings. These systems can show these words. These are basically the strings. So that's all the data types of Python. You can study these data type in further videos.